I got old E85 in here. It doesn't like that. I'm gonna have to drive around and burn all this crap out because this sucks. But put some fresh E in here, I think we'll be straight. 2.5 PSI. It's not much, but it's something. Yeah, it doesn't like this gas at all. I'm gonna burn this to pretty much empty, and then I'm gonna go and fill it up. It's a gas light, or I hope that's what that chime was. I want to throttle this thing so bad. I don't know if this is going to be too loud. Let me crack the windows for you real quick. Was last time when my spark plug took a shit on me. I was throttling it right here and it just started blip 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 blip. But hopefully it won't do that. But I'm definitely not going to do it with this gas. It's like 6 months old, so I'm gonna burn all this out. The windows back up. I don't know which one sounds better. I guess I'll check it out. So just regular driving. It's not too loud. I mean, if you're behind it, yeah, it's gonna be a little bit louder. But I also got this little valve here. Press it, now it's really quiet. And it sounds like a bag of pissed off bees, and then you open it up, it sounds way better. So I just leave it open. But if I see 12, I will definitely close it in a heartbeat. And then you could partially open it too. That's barely cracked. But might as well just leave it all the way open, right? I don't know if you can see in the rear view mirror, but definitely need to take the tint off the back window. It's like I can't even see out the back at all. Hate this shifter. I'm probably gonna put it back to stock. I'm in gear right now and it's got this much play, so either I'm gonna have to adjust it or I'm gonna put that stock one back that's on the floor. I don't know, I kind of like it up here. It feels better, but I definitely be missing gear sometimes because this is in gear and this is neutral. Not big of a difference. You just got to know where it's at. And then I drive this car pretty easy. I normally don't go over 4,000 unless I'm like, you know, on a mission. But normally I just be chilling. It sounds good when you get it up there though, I'm not gonna lie. But I try to baby this thing as much as possible. It's my favorite car. 147, 628. Yeah, those rod bearings lasted a pretty good while. Looked like it's about to take a shit on me, but I guess I changed it just in time. Hopefully this motor will last me a good while. Maybe if I get to 200,000 or 250, I might put forged internals, smaller pulley, and a new tune. Love this thing, how it's boosted, man. Especially when you're just on it. Anywhere from like 2,500 and up, you just let off the gas, you'll hear the blow off valve. So I'm partially off, seeping out a little bit, but when you let all the way off, it'll just do that to about 2,500. Then go down a gear. Turn around now, or in a moment. Got a check engine light because it's secondary air pump. Got a brake pad sensor because one of the sensors messed up, but I still got plenty of life left. Other two are just my in button settings. Tire pressure light because these aren't the tires I normally run, so they don't have the sensor in them. And seatbelt thing is a new one. It's like some fuse or module I gotta replace in the back. I don't feel like doing it, so no airbag it is. It'll be alright. And then sometimes headlight codes will pop up because I took out the stock ones, put some angel eyes and demon eyes in, but they died on me. But they lasted like 2 years. They're eBay specials, so I'm gonna order some new ones, like 80 bucks, and gotta put new lenses on anyways because they're like dusty as shit, so we're gonna update that. P3 boost gauge, 2.5 psi. Highest I've seen is 8.4. I think I was having some fuel pump issues and I was having a boost leak, but I think the boost leak is gone. I adjusted my Hobbs switch so it kicks on sooner. It was set to 4 psi. It never really cut on then, so I think it might have been calibrated wrong, maybe like 4.5 or something. But I don't know what it's at now, but I tweaked it down so it feels a lot better. Would give it the beans, but not with this gas. I ain't trying to blow my shit up after I just fixed it, so we'll see what happens. Nice little country roads. Actually might put my flame mat back on because I'll get low end burbles, some little crackles here and there. Makes this thing sound even nastier. I ain't gonna do it. I ain't got enough room. Let's turn here. Dude, all up on my ass. I almost got a check. Oh yeah, I definitely got to change the supercharger oil in this too. It's been a little minute. And then I got to change it in the GT500 blower that I'm about to put on my Corvette. I don't know, that'd be a pretty good matchup. This has got a 650 pulley on it, I think. 650 or 625, one of the two. Stock crank, E85 tune. So it's maybe 650 or 7, or I would hope. I don't know. I'm not paying to dyno this thing because I don't really care about numbers, but that Corvette's gonna be a good matchup. I think the Vette will be faster because it has way more torque, but this thing, it'll freight train sometimes. It just depends. I think I gotta mess with my Hobbs switch a little more, get it tuned just right. Fireworks in December.